Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send gift cards from PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to send gift cards from PayPal, guys, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening your Google Chrome or your preferred browser, guys, you can see on this interface at the top of the screen there's a search bar available for us. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address paypal.com. Give a backslash and type in gifts again and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the gifts page of PayPal over here, guys. Now you can see over here currently we are on the home section of gift cards, where there is the popular gift cards. Only if you click on the card section over here, all of the cards available on the PayPal will be available for us over here. You can go through and search for your preferred card over here also. Now in order to send a gift card from PayPal, guys, first I'll be just choosing a demo card. You can see a Disney gift card over here. Click on the Disney gift card. For me, for the demo purpose, I'll be clicking on the demo or the Disney gift card. And the moment you click on that gift card, this kind of interface will appear over here, where you can see, and these are the directions and the terms and conditions of the Disney gift card. Similarly, these will be available for any type of gift card, so read them carefully over here. Now in order to send a gift card, after reading all this, scroll down and you can see, guys, you can choose the amount or the net amount of that gift card over here. And after that, you can see currently, and we are on the this is a gift, and over here it says this is for me. Now if you want to redeem or on your account or buy it for you, just click on the this is for me and you can go through the similar process. But if you want to send it to anybody else than yourself, click on this is a gift and enter your email address over here, enter your name over here, whichever may be, and after that add a personal message over here, and you can choose a date over here when do you want to send this gift card to them. So you can see you can choose the future dates over here, and after going through these interfaces or these details, click on the add to cart button over here, and you can see it says item has been added to your cart. By that, guys, it means that at the top right corner you can see the cart icon. Our item or this gift card has been added to the cart at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the cart button at the top right corner, and all of your gift cards will be available for us over here. Because I had added these gift cards earlier, these are over here. Now let's after removing them, only this card remain. We had just processed it a moment earlier. And with that being said, guys, on this interface, scroll down and on this page click on the buy now button, and you have already entered their email address to whom you want to send that gift card, your name and your message, and with that being done, your date on which you want to send them the gift card. And with these details entered, simply enter your email address or your mobile number over here of your PayPal account and enter your password, and click on the login button over here and proceed through the purchase process. And with that being said, guys, that gift card would be sent to that person to whom you want to send it through PayPal. And with that being said, guys, this is how to send a gift card from PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.